Price action in Forex trading. Part 1. Now, what I'm about to teach you in price action is how to trade without indicators. Although I taught you how to use indicators, the reason why I taught you indicators first is so you can understand how the market works. After you have understood how the indicators work, it will be easy for you to understand how price action works. Because it is from the use of price action strategy that indicators were created. Indicators would have been perfect for traders, but it is not good because of lags, and risk management cannot be practiced when you use only indicators. So what is price action, you ask? Price action is the study of the movement of price with regards to the history of a currency pair. In price action trading, we study charts, the movement of price, the candlesticks, and the usage of lines and other tools to predict the next movement of the price. In price action, we involve all three forms of trading. The indicators you learnt will guide you when you want to learn price action. You will not need any indicator when trading price action. Just by looking at the charts, you will know when a pair is overbought or oversold. With price action, you can know when there is a squeeze and when there is a bounce without using indicators. The tools you will be learning in this stage are tools that will help you create your own indicators or maybe your own trading bots. These tools are what I call the price action tools. We use price action because indicators are not 100% reliable, and like I said, we predict with price action and confirm with indicators. Never ever in your life should you place your trades with the use of indicators only. Always use price action. This is the most accurate method of trading. Price action techniques are so many, but we will be looking at the few and the ones I consider the best. I only want us to look at these price action techniques because they work for me most of the time. My price action techniques are candlesticks analysis, chart analysis, trend lines, Fibonacci, support and resistance, and time frame analysis. These are all you need to learn in price action. You can choose to do extra research if you like. You will discover other price action techniques like pivot points, butterfly analysis, and many others. But many of these other methods are methods that were created with the use of the techniques I listed previously. So what I am saying in essence is that once you learn the techniques I listed above, you would be able to predict any market anytime. In our next chapter, we will look at candlesticks in Forex trading. Stay tuned.